Hey guys, it's the Bruh Squad back with you today. Alright, sorry for not uploading in a long time. We have really busy lives, okay? So don't blame us. The Bruh Squad is a collab channel with 4 people about, and get ready to open some packs today. Alright, we're gonna do some MyTeam pack opening. My team is very trash right now. All silver except David Lee. David Lee's a monster. Alright, I don't know what to choose. My god. There's so many packs. So many. Maybe legendary all access. The VIP ones are too much, so I don't want no center. I think I'm going to all access, guys. Let me just calculate how many packs we can open. Wow, we can only open like 4 or 5 packs with this. Big failure ever. Alright, let's go. First pack of the day. Alright. It's a bronze. Silver. Trash. Okay, let's see what we got now. More trash. More trash. Okay, 2K, thank you very much for the trash today. Thanks for the trash, 2K. My god. Alright, pack number 2. Let's go. Oh my god, my coins are like disintegrating. Okay, maybe even worse. Wow, guys. I think my pack just glitched out. Wow. Sorry guys, something glitched out or something with my Xbox, but I think I'm gonna legendary VIP. 9,000 coins, let's go. All silver, oh my god. Randy Whitman's not that bad, but he's still horrible. I think I'm gonna go with how much do I have? 6,000 left. Okay. Maybe one of the light green ones. 50-50. Or legendary pass. Which one should I go? I'm thinking legendary pass. Alright, let's go. All bronze. Long day of trash. Guys, never open packs. Just use the auction house. Okay. 3,000 left. VC. Almost done. Alright, legendary pass. Last pack of the day. Alright, let's see what I got. Well, long day of trash. Now let's see what I can get on auction house. Alright. Joe Johnson. I need a shooting guard badly. I think Joe Johnsons are cheap. Let me go for a gold. Okay, maybe Marco Bellinelli. He's not that. He's pretty good at threes. Actually, amazing at threes. Monte Ellis. They got any buy nows? There's so many minutes left on it. Ooh, 1,700 buy now. There's no one better. Alright, I'm gonna buy it. Come on! Come on! Yes! I got Joe Johnson! They're so cheap too. I could probably sell them for like 200 more coins. Alright. I think I'm gonna open a Dimers pack. I mean, I could get like Chris Paul. Let's go for Chris Paul. Come on. CP3. CP. I already know I didn't get him because the first card I see is bronze. Okay, silver, silver. All right. Not bad at. Chris Anderson's good at defense. Want myself some pairs of shoes. Want some dirty shoes for my player. They're all so expensive though. God damn you. Alright, well let me show you my new updated MyTeam. I got Darren Williams, Joe Johnson, Wesley Johnson, David Lee, and Jason Smith.